Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I'm here to unbox some Dior stuff I got in. I recently copped some of this. I've sold both these items, but you know, some of this I plan to add some Dior to my collection in the future, and this is a little bit of unboxing here, and you know, we'll have plenty of more items like this coming in, some more cool videos. My cat's messing around with like the bag I have set down here since it's what it got. All right, my cat's out the room now, but I hope you guys will enjoy this video. It's a very cool one. I got two very nice items to show you all in this video from Dior, so I want you guys to enjoy this. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and drop that like down below and subscribe for more content just like this. Let's try and if we hit 200 likes, I'll hit you all with another Dior unboxing very soon. So hit that like, let's try and hit 200, and I'll hit you all with another unboxing like this. I'm trying to think of more videos since I'm gonna be able to walk very soon, so I'm gonna hit you all with some vlogs. A lot of great content coming soon, so stay tuned. Follow my Instagrams down below if you guys wanna go check those out. Pop them up, as you guys probably see. And yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get to show you guys some Dior that I copped. I clapped my hands way too much. Okay, so as I said, probably in the thumbnail you saw there was only one bag, but I will be unboxing two. One I have right here that I've already sold, and you know, it was locally, so I'm not gonna need to ship it off, which is nice. So I sold this bag, I have it right here. So this is the first duffel, I'm gonna show you all in a second, but the second one is basically on the way, it's out for delivery. So whenever that gets here, I guess I will then show you all that in the video. But the first one I have here is this $1,800 Dior bag for basically, this is an $1,800 Dior bag, a very old, I think it's kind of a vintage style, and I got this for the low, you know, I sold it for a pretty good deal. So, you know, this one I got for, I think it was like, if I'm right, I think it was around $320. So this is a massive steal, and it's 100% legit. Like, go ahead, take a good look. Like, there's the monogram. The monogram on this is so clean. Like, I'm a huge fan, especially like the leather too. Like, the straps are real leather, and they're very nice. And this bag is spacious too. That's another benefit. Like, there's a pocket on the inside, like a whole leather pocket right here. And like, even when you talk into it, it echoes. So like, this is a very big and spacious bag, as y'all can see. So I'm very happy to have this one. And you know, just this is another one that, you know, I was just like, this is a dope one to have, like as like a reseller to like have come in and sell. And I was even tempted to keep it, but I have a whole nother duffel that I'm keeping coming in. So stay tuned on that. Some birthday unboxings, you know, things like that. Cause your boy birthday about to be 18 on June 26th. Stay tuned, keep the date in your calendar, remember it, we are going to celebrate everybody. But yeah, this bag basically, it's like a whole $1,800 bag, got it for the low. Actually, ooh, that just made me think of a good video title. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I like that. But the other one is also really cool. Two different styles of monogram. They're two different colorways, so you guys will see that. This one is the original kind of like brown and tan Dior monogram, as you guys can see. And I'm a very big fan of it. Like, you cannot deny that this is a very clean monogram. And you know, you basically, you know, this can hold all your needs. Like, if you're in travel, like this is a straight flex. Like, you hold this on the side, you flex, and like this is, again, it's a big bag. It's a big bag because it's meant to hold a lot of stuff. So if you need a big bag, this would basically be perfect for it. And you know, I found the steal in this. Just shout out everybody on Grilled. You know, I'd be copping off to be throwing me the steals. This is another one. Shout out that Grilled seller. You know, he'd be the plug. Yeah, you know, not the first time I bought something off him, but it's just another deal he threw me. So right here, clean cop. First little Dior bag I want to show you, first duffel. You know, just I'm a big fan too of like how like the material in this bag too. Like, this is all like embroidered on the bag. Like, all this stuff, it's such like, it's so well done. The fabric's so nice. Like, look at that. Like, you can tell a lot of work and effort was put into this bag, especially putting this bag together, like the leather and everything on it. It's just, it's so nice. So looking at this first bag, we're gonna move on to the second one in a second, but this first one's so clean. You know, I'd be getting my Dior for the low, but this is the first little Dior bag I want to show. I've been holding it up for a while, but yeah, the big boy duffel. Let's now move on. You know, it actually can fold up nice like this. If you're ever worrying about shipping duffel bags, it's actually not that complicated. It's just like folding it up like this. So you can actually do it not too expensive. A little tip right there for my resellers. But first, big boy duffel bag. First little thing I thought I'd show. But how about we now get into the second bag. All right, what's up everybody? I'm back. It's early in the morning. Some people are still asleep, so I'm trying to be kind of, here, I'm gonna close the door. I'm trying to be kind of quiet, but this error happened where basically it says that my package was delivered, but it's not actually here. So here, I want to show you all. So like, look, they said my package, like, look, I want you all to see this. Like, look, they say it's delivered, all that. Like, look, it's done. Like, it's in the mailbox. It's all good. Like, it's there. Basically, when I went to go check it this morning and last night, it wasn't there. So basically, they marked it as delivered when it's not actually here. So hopefully I'll get it today. I've heard it's like an error where they mark it a day before, but let's continue the unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the bag in the next segment. Hopefully. All right, boys, it's the next day, and we're doing kind of like, you know, well, it's the same day. I filmed that part in the morning. But basically, the next bag finally came in. We got this little Dior clutch bag, basically, and I want y'all to peep the monogram on this. doing this vlog style. Peep the monogram on this. Like, look how clean this is. Like, this is very well done. And as you can see, like, it's still in great quality. I sold this for the steal. You can go check the resale page down below. But you know, this is like a little bag, fit some stuff in it. I just kind of want to sit here for a second to show you all that, but you know, you could fit like a decent amount of stuff in it. It's pretty spacious. You got the OG Christian Dior baggage tag on the inside. Maybe you all can see that hanging off there a little bit. Basically, this is very nice, and again, same kind of fabric that I just discussed on the duffel. You know, it's kind of using that exact same fabric. And let's really just pay attention to a few details in this bag. So you can see you got kind of like navy pattern going around on it, and here like a kind of better visual of the inside so you guys can see it again. Very, very spacious. There's the Christian Dior tag I was talking about. The leather is real, as you guys can tell. It's very well done. Like, a lot of time and effort is put into Dior bags like this, I feel like, and you know, just the monogram goes crazy. Like, whoever designed this, this goes crazy. Like, look at this. And you know, it's still in great condition. Just a nice little clutch bag. So, you know, if you're out with your girl and you know, want to get her something a little nice, you know, I found the steal on this one. You know, you can just get her to pull up with this, you know, the Dior, the action. But yeah, you know, I'm just a massive fan of this. Again, I'm kind of just like, I'm gonna start collecting this, definitely adding some more to my collection. I don't have any right now, but other than these two Dior chains, obviously I got two Dior chains, but I'm trying to get some more items in the collection. I don't have any right now, but I've sold two. So you see this one's pretty sick. I'm gonna cop something similar to this hopefully soon. So kind of the vlog style, but we had this big bag, or this smaller kind of bag, the little clutch one you can just hold on the side like this, you know, and you know, it's fire. This is fire, just holding it like this. And then we also had the bigger duffel, but this one is super clean also, so I really mess with this. And that's basically how I got, because this bag's retail also, not to mention, I forgot to mention this. I just said mention like 3 times in one sentence, but I forgot to point out the fact this bag's retails like $700, so that's basically how I paid, and I got it for the low too, paid like $250 for this, so basically that's how I got, paid $500 for basically $1,200 worth of Dior, the clutch bag, the big bag in another room, so pretty dope as y'all saw there. I've sold those both, and yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Dior unboxing. I'm going to be collecting more soon, and shoot, this monogram too clean. I can't even cap. So yeah, let's definitely roll that outro right now. Anyways, this is pretty much the outro for this video since it's finally done. Right now, I'm pretty much editing it. So I'm right now editing it while filming the outro, so you know, kind of doing 2 things at once. But if you guys did enjoy this video and want more content like this in the future, please go ahead, subscribe below, and drop that like. Don't forget, we're trying to hit 200 likes, and I will hit you all with more Dior unboxings like this and Louis unboxings like this in the future. I'm getting a lot of designer in, so I got you all a lot of different content going to be coming in, just kind of updating you all like on my reselling, you know, showing you all what I get in. I mean, Supreme season's about to end, but I didn't discuss it this week since this week was pretty bad. As you guys can tell, it was a brick week. Didn't want to discuss it, but yeah, you know, that's really all I gotta say. So short little video, but hopefully one that was enjoyable, and I will be uploading tomorrow. Sorry that I didn't post this yesterday, just the bag didn't come in, so I couldn't. But yeah, that's pretty much this full video. It's now up today, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, you guys can also check out my Instagrams down below. Go follow either of those. I'd appreciate that. You check out the Discord down below there too. That'll be cool. And yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Tristan, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.
Stack that bitch up, mate.